Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with the Dollar Tree haul. And I'm just going to show it because I didn't even go through it. I just brought it in my craft room and set the bags down. So here we go. It's New Year's Eve. I have the girls and I thought I'd buy them some snacks. So I got some cheesy popcorn. I like that. And then I got the puffy balls. And I got Crunch a Munch caramel. And I don't know what the difference is, but I bought two different types. And Fiddler, 2 different brands. That's all the difference is. It's caramel, either way. Haha. You can tell how close I was paying attention. Alright, so that's food-wise. Okay, let's grab this thing. So, I had a little clearance area, and I came across some clearance items. I got 4 mugs. They all look like this, the little red truck with Santa, for 50 cents each. And y'all know I love my red truck, so got them. I thought those were kind of cool for 50 cents each. I haven't looked at them today. Said, I don't need another mug. Yeah, look at me. After Christmas, the attitude changed because it's sale. But that's what it looks like. So I got 4 of them. So basically, I paid 50 cents each. And then they had these left over, 50 cents each. Stars and a little ordeal. I thought next year I could do something with those. And that's that. And then I went to Hobby Lobby. They didn't have much left over, so. But my hubby wanted a school box. I picked him up that. And then I found Happy Valentine's Day truck. Oh, and I got the girls each a juice. Fruit punch, Donald Duck, and kiwi strawberry. I'll just split it between them. So I got that. So there's my truck, my Happy Valentine's Day truck. That's cool. I'm like, I don't have that one. I showed you the school box. Okay. Now, I thought this was a cool looking pen. It says Pen Stylo. I thought it was kind of cool. And it's like I need another pen. I like the looks of it. That little dangle. That was pretty. It's a decorative pen. I just thought it was pretty, so I picked that up. And then I keep looking for the right felt tip pen. And I bought some last week, and I didn't like it, so I grabbed these this week. And let's see how I like this one. Let's test this out. Not that I didn't like last week's, I just realized that they were blue. I wanted black. And we'll see. I think these are blue too. Yeah, blue. But that's alright. Oh, I got this little plastic tip thing on there. Okay, I can live with that. That's a dark blue. It looks more. It says blue, but that looks black too. I like that. So, got 4 in a pack for $1. So I got them. So one in small tip. And then Bima, I'm gonna blame her for this. Showed this sticker with a truck on, yellow truck, I believe. I couldn't find it. I went through all the stickers. I thought I spent 10 minutes looking through stickers. But I did find 2 that caught my attention. I thought this one was cute with the houses. I like the rustic look. And it says, laugh often. Today is a good day to have a good day. Home sweet home. What I love most about home is who makes it with, who shapes it with. Okay, I gotta read that again. What I love most about my home is who shapes it within. Okay, enjoy today. Got that one. And then I thought this one, I'm not usually a mermaid person, but I thought this was pretty. So I love the colors on it, so I grabbed that. Today's a sticker haul because we all know what holiday's coming up. Valentine's. And as I look, I didn't have many Valentine's as I thought, so I grabbed some of these. And tons got kind of carried away, but that's alright. I got this one. Oh, I got two of them. Didn't realize I grabbed two. Alright, got that one. What's that? Look there. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that one over there. That's what it looks like. Then I got this thing. I like the envelope. A little people on a bike. And then I got this one. And then I got the little emojis. And this is one of my favorites right here. I like the OXO, I love you, be mine. And I got that one. And then I got these, they look like little doggies, cats, that are cute, monkey. They're just cute. And this one. Oh, I got them. Yeah, I said sticker hole, I swear. And let's see. Oh, these are kind of cool. And I got 3 of them. I believe I got 3 of them. And now I got 2. Okay, whatever. I did get 3. Okay. They go on top of a mason jar. Okay? So you can hang them. And they're just little lids. There had one that was silver with stars coming out, but this lady grabbed all of them. Every one with the stars. So I got these 2. Or 3. I thought they were kind of cool. I'm going to make something with them down the road to show you. Then, of course, I got some disinfection spray. I had 70% alcohol in today. Usually it's only 50%. Look at that. And Scott and I are always, I forgot. That man drives me crazy. I go wash my glasses. You know, when I get dirty, I use Windex glass cleaner. Go out to the kitchen. It's not underneath the zinc where I keep it. It's where my husband sits all the time. I don't even know why I go into the kitchen and look under the zinc, because it's never there. So I going down the aisle. I saw this eyeglass cleaner. Buy him one and bought one for myself. And I figure after they're empty, we'll just fill them up with glass cleaner. And then, crafty wise, I've never used this, but I thought, what the heck? Only $1. It's made by Arlene's. It's glitter coat adhesive. Glass decor. Bonds glitters to glass. And I thought, interesting. So, I picked up me one just to try it out, guys. Whoops! And then, the only thing, like I said, I went in a Hobby Lobby, and I didn't find anything, but I went in for one purpose, and that was to get me some glossy accents. And that's it. That's all. That's my big haul. Woohoo! And if more just I use alcohol to clean off my thing. So, seeing that in today. Plus, I use it sometimes in when I do sprays and stuff. So that was a good thing today. But that is my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, mainly a lot of stickers. Some good clearance items. Some DIY stuff coming up. So, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping in and watching my Dollar Tree video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.